Welcome back to MS Auto Review, your trusted place for honest car reviews, latest specs, and real-world features explained in simple words. Today we are taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Suzuki Altu in a stylish light gray color, a car designed especially for city drivers who want reliability, fuel efficiency, and modern features in a compact package. The 2026 Suzuki Altu continues Suzuki's legacy of building affordable and practical hatchbacks, but this time it comes with a refreshed design and improved technology. From the outside, the light gray color gives the car a clean and premium feel, making it look more modern than previous generations. The front design feels sharper with updated headlights, a refined grille, and smoother body lines that improve both looks and aerodynamics. The compact size makes it perfect for narrow city roads and tight parking spaces, especially in busy urban areas. Under the hood, the 2026 Suzuki Altu is expected to come with a small displacement petrol engine focused on fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. Suzuki has always been known for economical engines, and the Altu is no exception. The engine delivers smooth performance for daily commuting, city traffic, and short highway trips. The lightweight body helps in achieving better mileage, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. Manual and automatic transmission options make driving easy for both new and experienced drivers. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Suzuki Altu feels more refined and practical. The dashboard design is simple yet modern, with improved materials compared to older models. The light gray exterior is complemented by a well-balanced interior color theme that feels airy and comfortable. The infotainment system is expected to support smartphone connectivity, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and calls easily. The steering wheel design is compact and comfortable, and the instrument cluster provides clear information while driving. In terms of comfort, the seats are designed for daily use, offering decent support for city drives. Despite its compact size, the cabin space is well utilized, giving enough headroom and legroom for front and rear passengers. The boot space is suitable for grocery runs, small luggage, and daily needs. Suzuki has focused on practicality, which makes the Altu a smart choice for families and first-time car buyers. Safety features in the 2026 Suzuki Altu have also been improved. Basic safety elements such as airbags, ABS, electronic stability support, and parking assistance are expected to be part of the package, depending on the variant. Suzuki aims to meet modern safety standards while keeping the car affordable for the mass market. These features provide peace of mind during daily driving in city traffic. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Suzuki Altu is its low running cost. Affordable spare parts, excellent fuel economy, and Suzuki's wide service network make ownership stress-free. The light gray color also helps in maintaining a clean look with less visible dust and scratches, which is a plus for daily use. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Altu in light gray is a well-balanced city car that offers modern design, efficient performance, practical features, and trusted Suzuki reliability. It is a great option for students, small families, and anyone looking for an economical and easy-to-drive car for everyday use. If you enjoyed this review and want more videos like this, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to MS Auto Review for more latest car reviews, specs, and features. Suzuki.